Whoa! Whoa! Finally got my washer and dryer. It's a little portable washer and dryer. I always wanted to check it out, so here it is. I do have a regular standard washer and drying machine in the house. However, I am going to be using this primarily for my soiled loads that I work out in and various jackets that I would like to run a delicate wash cycle on, and some sweaters also. I think it'll do a good job on those. I'm pretty impressed with this, I must say. Can't wait to try it out. I'm gonna plug it up right outside of one of my showers, which has a drain, and I'm remodeling that area. So that explains the extra plastic that I have hanging up. I'm doing a little painting in that room and some more things. You can call it my craft area. I guess this is what they call it, ASMR. To sneak a little bit of that in there, I guess. No, but no kidding, that's my favorite part of unwrapping things, is just taking off that plastic that they put on so well. I am pleasantly surprised that this is bigger than I thought in the inside. This little hose is what you could use if you wanted to plug it up to a conventional sink. Like I said, it is a portable washing machine and spin dryer, so that little hose can go right into a sink, your standard sink, kitchen sink, bathroom, restroom sink, and you can fill it up with water with that hose. I don't have to use that in this case because I'm actually going to be using my shower head to fill it up, since I did place it right outside my shower. But I think that's very convenient and important because I do plan on taking this on extensive road trips that I may go on, and I just know that I'm gonna have fun with this. I'm surprised that it fits all my shirts. It's a 20-pound washing machine, by the way. So I just kept filling it and filling it up. Nice heavy duty hoodie. Pull over. And I still have room for even more stuff. As you can see. And put in a little bit more. I don't know what y'all do when y'all wash y'all clothes, but I like to put a couple additives in. Detergent, baking soda. Again, I think it's really cool that they have this hose you could use if you have to plug it up to a sink or you don't have a shower head capability like I do. And you know I gotta have baking soda. Camera upside down, so but I'm gonna swerve. It does 15-minute loads, it does gentle or delicate cycle, and it does a great spin dry, which I will show you later. Literally, I stand back in amazement at this machine. I had to take a moment and just look at it for what it was. It's so cool to me. Technology is one thing I'm always being amazed by it. I have a drain, so for me, I don't have to drain it in a tub or anything, but if you wanted to, you could drain it in your shower, you could drain it in a tub, or I guess you could drain it outside if you were camping. Sent it through one more time through the spin cycle, but it only needed one time to dry everything that I put in there, and it dried it really, really, really well. I'm highly satisfied with the way it dried. Unfortunately, that loud noise came from something that you're about to see at the end of this video, but it did a great job on my shirts. And there's no need to really run your clothing through twice, because one cycle of drying dries them about 90% through. You can hang them up, or you can I can wear that shirt now after if I iron it. I hung them up, and 5 minutes later, no, I won't exaggerate, but about 30 minutes later, they were totally dry. And this was the culprit of the loud noise. I had the manual stuck in the spin dryer that entire time. And I was looking for a manual, but being a guy, I guess just being a human, I figured this was simple enough to operate without a manual, and maybe it got lost in transport. But boy, was I wrong. I did start another load. I couldn't help myself, but this is how it sounds without the manual stuck in it. Much lower vibrations. I definitely will be using this machine again. And I also have the dryer running while the washing machine is running.